We're here at Card-Monroe, checking in on their application with their recently installed Cobot Feeder. Let's go take a look at how they're doing. Reid, what do you guys do here at Card-Monroe?
So we are a tufting manufacturer. So we build the machines that go into the carpet industry, and not only carpet, but as well as turf machines.
What were the challenges you were facing here at Card-Monroe that led to you wanting to automate?
So when we first got this robot, we had to load the material by hand each time it ran. So, and that's what I think is one of the downfalls to machine tending, is having to keep reloading the machine. So that's why this is a perfect solution for our application, where it takes the operator out of it, having to reload the machine, where the Cobot Feeder does that for us. Feeder allows us to do is we can utilize our machinists to do other tasks now.
When you got the machine, what was the installation process like?
It was very simple. I think it took 2 days to set this up. All of the integration and logic and everything was completed before it got here, and we were off and running.
Yeah, and Reid, I know when we first delivered the Cobot Feeder to you, it didn't have the UR cap. Has that UR cap made a difference in the operation of the system?
It makes a huge difference in the programming side of things, but then two, where I feel like it's going to have the biggest impact will be that you don't have to have the operator use the HMI at all now. It is all done through the robot. So the robot calls which tray needs to be ran. So yeah, it's very simple now.
Do you guys do more high mix or high volume machining here?
Our shop is more of a high mix, low volume. With the 17 different trays, we're able to, with slight adjusting for each run, we're able to run a lot of different jobs.
Is there any more need within your shop for potentially another system like this?
Yes, I think we can, there's some different applications that I think we could use it on, a lathe tending application, or even some assembly applications in our sub-assembly.
So Reid, how's your experience been with the Applied Cobotics team and the customer service you've received?
Our experience has been great. The whole Applied Cobotics team has been phenomenal. From quote to the install has been great.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.